Guys, I have an amazingly bad news for everybody in the Amazon space. All right, so it is. I don't think I will shock a lot of people if I say that a lot of your favorite Amazon gurus scaled their Amazon business thanks to Amazon loans. Okay, I was able to scale my business thanks to Amazon loans. And every single time you hear a story about somebody actually scaling their Amazon business, it was in part thanks to debt, and a lot of it thanks to Amazon loans that had great loans if you wanted to scale your business, right? So, okay, so pretty much what's going on right now is that apparently, okay, according to Yahoo Finance, and this is an article by Jason Del Rey, on Yahoo Finance, apparently Amazon will no longer underwrite loans for sellers. All right, it's over. Okay, the days of easy scaling your Amazon business with Amazon loans are over, and so you can still, there's still the, so if you do not know, you can still get loans. You are able to get loans right now from third-party services such as Goldman Sachs on Amazon, and such as Lendistry and other companies that are actually offering loans on Amazon. All right, so the issue with, by the way, before we go further, let me just introduce myself. Okay, let me plug my channel a little bit. My name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon, just like this one. Amazon news and strategies to scale your Amazon business, right? So yeah, if you're new, subscribe, like this video, it helps a lot, and it trains your algorithm to so you can get more videos. Also do paid coaching, there's a link in the description if you want to learn more about that, if you want to scale your business fast. All right, so yeah, so the reason why Amazon loans were great is because everybody could get them. Okay, it did not matter if you were in the US, if you were outside of the US, if you're American, if you were not. There was no credit check. Everybody could have a secured loan from Amazon. Okay, the loan was secured based on your inventory. All right, and so the way it was working is that, you know, like you would receive offers on your, and to be honest, I've been because I kept rejecting offer, and I'm actually mad that I did it. No, I kept rejecting offers all summer, and I think I had my last offer in August. I did not take it, and after that my sales were down a little bit after that, because I started working way less and traveling a little bit more, and so I thought that this was why I was not getting loans. But I had huge loans from Goldman Sachs. I had like a 55,000 loans from Goldman Sachs that I still haven't approved. I think actually I just broke my pen. All right, I don't know if you've noticed, but I always have this pen that I'm playing with while I'm on videos. I just broke it. All right, so it's, you know, it's your proof that we are in direct, and I just shoot one shot. I do not care. All right, this is going to stay in the video. So yeah, I had this loan from Goldman Sachs that actually I don't think I have it anymore. I think it disappeared last month, but I had it for like 6 months. I never actually tried to apply for it. But the great thing with Amazon loans is that you would be approved automatically, right? You would be approved automatically, and you would get the loan, you would get the money to scale your business in 2 to 3 weeks, right? In 2 to 3 days. I'm sorry. So it would be with your next disbursement. No. What sucks is that I don't think people that are outside of the US can actually apply for Goldman Sachs and can actually apply for Lendistry. Okay, so this is what sucks. You need to have an SSN. All right, and so and you need to have great credit also. You know, if not, they are not going to approve you. And this is what sucks. It was such an easy way to scale your business. And if we actually look at this article, okay, and I'm not going to link the article in the description because I'm just too lazy to do this. Okay, just look for it. This is the title. Just type the title on Google. Okay, do not be lazy. All right, do not I'm not going to do the whole work for you. If you want to read it, go on Google and read the article. All right, I'm not going to list it in the description. But yeah, so they did it for more than a decade, and they are going to stop doing it because a lot of people were defaulting. And you know what? I think that it is partly Amazon's fault, because when you because I'm pretty, like, you know, I don't think that most people were actually defaulting because just because they did not want to pay back the loans. Because if you have money to scale your business for free, of course you do it, you know. And usually, you know, it's not just anybody that gets loans. You know, you need to sell for a little bit and to have increasing sales for a little bit, and you will get a loan from Amazon. Okay, I accepted 3, 4, maybe 5, 6 loans from Amazon, and so it's not a thing anymore. But I think the main reason why is because Amazon is on some bullshit all the time, deactivating sellers for no reason. And of course, if you deactivate a seller that has a loan, that has an active loan with you, of course you're gonna get some default, because how the fuck are they going to repay the loans, right? It does not make any sense. So, I think this is what is mainly happening with loans and people being deactivated and people. I don't think people would just default, would just take the money and run with it, okay? Because I think it's really dumb. People running businesses on Amazon actually know what they're doing. At least a little bit, and they know that by investing that money into inventory, they would get way more money in turn, right? So I don't see it that way. And you had to have increasing sales to be able to get a loan from Amazon. So that's the thing. Now, as I said, it's too bad, because it was such a great way to actually scale, and you will have way less. It's going to be way harder for newbies to actually scale their business right now, because it was such a great resource. Okay, you know that it's a capital incentive business, and so it's not easy for everybody to find capital. It was not for me. Okay, and the Amazon lending program actually helped me a lot, because it was not for me, because I don't have a social security number. A lot of the money that I had in the business, I was not able to leverage credit cards like a lot of guys, because my credit was new, all that stuff. So it was hard. I've been starting to get good credit cards like not even 6 months ago. So it took a little time for me to build my credit and all that stuff. But it was such a great resource for a lot of guys to be able to scale their Amazon business, and so I think that in the end, it is going to play against Amazon, because you are able to create a lot of big sellers with this, and so it's not going to be as easy. Okay, so if you do not have a SSN, if you do not have great credit, you're not going to be able to get those those Goldman Sachs loans. So it's what sucks. And like as I said in the beginning of the video, a lot of people actually, and every single time you hear somebody actually being able to scale their business, it's not because they know more than you. Like, of course, it plays a lot, the strategies that they use and stuff. But like, when you put everybody at the same level, at the end of the day, it's the capital that they had available. And you will see that a lot of people that you are going to talk about scale their business with what? They scale their business with debt, of course. Okay, I did. Everybody that you see on YouTube did. Okay, it's not like, and especially a lot of the young guys. Okay, if you see somebody that is super young, of course they scaled their business with debt. Okay, they do not have huge savings. Most of those people do not have huge savings. Same thing as I told you guys, I scaled my business mostly with those Amazon loans, a little bit with credit card loans, but like with $2,000-$3,000 limit. I mean, I had a $12,000 limit this summer. That's the only big credit cards that I have, and I'm going to apply for more now, because my credit is getting better and better, and I can get bigger credit cards. But like most of the time, like debt is, and right now, it's not going to be as easy as it was to scale your Amazon business. This is what I wanted to say with this video. So yeah, bad news, but like it's not the end of the world. All right, work on your credit. Get some credit cards and scale your business this way, and start working with your bank. And I've been saying it for a while. Start developing relationship with your bank. So eventually start your LLC, get your EIN. And it's not going to be something that you are going to be able to do next year, but you need like in a couple of months, but you need to see the long-term picture. Okay, work with your bank, so eventually you can get a line of credit with your bank as well. Start building a relationship with your bank, open an LLC, open a business bank account, and start building that relationship for a couple of years, and you'll get some line of credits. Okay, and all those people that tell you, oh, it's not worth it opening an LLC and all that stuff, you do not get anything from it. Yes, you do. Yes, you do, dummy. You can actually open a business bank account with an EIN and start. And of course, do not listen to all those guys that say that you do not need personal guarantee. You will need personal guarantee to use for those line of credit and for those business credit cards. But you start building that relationship with your bank. This is the most important thing, okay? And as I said, it's not something that is going to take 6 months, not something that is going to take 1 year. It's going to take at least 2 years, and probably more than that, right? But your business needs to be in business for more than 2 years for you to actually be able to do this, right? So, yeah, it sucks, but that's life, all right? So, deal with it, all right? I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.